Erica Fernandez and Shahir Sheikh are back together. Do we hear wedding bells? Differences ironed out, issues sorted, and love is in the air again, and how? Get all the details of Indian television's most torrid romance here. Erica Fernandez and Shahir Sheikh are no more going to be on and off. The two sat down and recently decided that they need to behave like mature people and come out in the open that they love each other. Now, whether they admit this in the media or not, the fact is that they are now very comfortable about their affinity for each other in front of every person on sets of their show Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi. A source says, Erica and Shahir decided that they can't live with and without each other. Better they live with each other. Rumor has it that Shahir was with Erica in Dubai too, where she recently traveled for some personal work. Confirming this, the source adds, Shahir did not report for the shoot on the day that Erica landed in Dubai. Frankly, everyone on the sets of Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi is heaving a sigh of relief. The on and off friction between Shahir and Erica had driven their colleagues up the wall. A source from the show had told us, it's not easy to shoot with these two. They are very good with each other one moment, they fight the next moment. Every day their equation with respect to each other changes. They have been having a very rocky relationship since the longest time, but now it's telling on our nerves. Nobody likes so much of inconsistency and unpredictability. Recently, Erica and Shahir grabbed headlines when Shahir shooed the media away from the set when a scene required Erica to fall on top of him. Later, Shahir surprisingly victimized a TV journalist for leaking the news to Spotboy. Anyway, all's well that ends well. Erica and Shahir are firmly back as lovers. Let's see what's next in store on the Erica-Shahir love story. Wedding bells or a live-in? We wouldn't be surprised if the makers of Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi are planning to incorporate some nice romantic scenes in the show in the coming days. No prizes for guessing that this sweet and sour relationship must have compelled to not think about Erica and Shahir getting up close and personal on screen.